Now let's just talk about other solo ad sources. In other videos I talked about the solo ad networks, and those are actually my favorite ways of finding solo ad sellers. But there's other ways too. For example, you could go on Facebook and do a search for solo ad testimonial groups. And the great thing about these groups is that you can see what other people are saying about their solo ad experience, and people in these groups know each other very well, so it's hard to get scammed in these groups. Um, Another way you can find solo ad sellers is by going to the Wire Forum. Just go to wireforum.com and go to the classified ads section. You can also go to Google and look for other people or other marketers that are in your niche. So you're going to want to do this especially if you cannot find solo ad sellers that are in your niche. For example, you may be in a niche such as, say, so let's just say off the top of my head, you're in the bowling niche. Okay, so I have yet to see a solo ad seller in the bowling niche in those solo ad networks that I mentioned in the other videos. So you may want to go on Google and do a search for bowling author or bowling books or bowling blogs. Try to find any business or marketer that is in your niche that may have a list, and then try to contact them and see if they could send out a solo ad for you. Okay, another way you could find solo ad sellers is by going on ClickBank, and this is a great way actually to find solo ad sellers who have buyer lists, because on ClickBank, as you know, it is where people are selling digital products.